In different applications, we don't always need full image resolution. By capturing only the target area, ROI can reduce image data and even increase frame rate for faster imaging. For motion analysis, our Contrastech Mars series cameras, designed for high-speed imaging, achieve 815 frames per second at full resolution and up to 3488 frames per second with ROI enabled. Now let's look at ROI setup on the Contrastech standard camera. Next, let's take a look at ROI setup on the iBoost shortwave infrared camera. Selected models feature an industry-leading 15mm pixel size and have been widely recognized and well received. Our cameras also support Kinovia motion analysis software with optional Contrastech HSS Lite high-speed storage software for data reporting. More applications are waiting to be discovered.